स्वीट्स किड्स में आपका स्वागत है। बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे
Open the door. Open the door. Drink water. Drink water. Drink milk. Drink milk. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Get dressed. Get dressed. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. I love you. I love you. Tidy up. Tidy up. Bring along your umbrella. Bring along your umbrella. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch the stove. Don't run down the stairs. Don't run down the stairs. Do not touch electrical appliances. Wake up, it's morning. Wake up, it's morning. Eat your vegetables, they're healthy. Eat your vegetables, they're healthy. Pick up your toys, please. Pick up your toys, please. Remember to flush the toilet. Remember to flush the toilet. Here's some candy for you. Here's some candy for you. Put on your shoes. Cover your mouth. When you cough, wear your that outside. When you cough, wear your that outside. Chew before you talk. Chew before you talk. Take a small drink. Take a small drink. No snacks before dinner. No snacks before dinner. No more talking now. No more talking now. Be careful with that toy. Be careful with that toy. Come here, please. Come here, please. You need to eat more. You need to eat more. Don't shout, use a soft voice. Don't tease the dog. Don't tease the dog.